Car accident lawyers in NYC. Our car accident attorneys in New York City have secured millions for injured clients. Crashed car. Unintentional injuries are the leading cause of death in the United States. Few people get behind the wheel intending to use their vehicles as weapons. However, auto accidents remain a large contributor to catastrophic and fatal injuries. When another driver acts with negligence, recklessness, or intentional malice, you need a New York City personal injury lawyer. Our experienced team of New York car accident attorneys at Douglas and London can help you determine what happened before a crash, build a case, and achieve the best possible results. Insurance companies are notoriously difficult to deal with. We are here to make the process easier so your family can focus on the road ahead. Call us to schedule a meeting with an experienced attorney. Have questions? Click here to access our car accident fact. Statistics on New York City car accidents. In a city of nearly 2 million registered vehicles, it's not surprising that the services of a New York City car accident lawyer are often needed. According to NYPD statistics, as of October 2020, 9,487 accidents were reported citywide, involving motorists, 1,827 injured, 7 killed. Passengers, 1,188 injured, 4 killed. Cyclists, 587 injured, 1 killed. Pedestrians, 629 injured, 12 killed. Passenger vehicles and SUVs were overwhelmingly involved in the collisions, but hundreds of accidents included buses, taxis, semi-trucks, transport vans, bicycles, and motorcycles. Common causes of car accidents. The 10 most common causes of a car crash in NYC include largely preventable errors, such as driver inattention, distraction, following too closely, failure to yield right-of-way, passing, or our staff is available 24 hours if you need help or have questions. Feel free to fill out the form or call now. Your consultation is free and there is never a charge unless we win your case.
Call us today 888-727-0450.